For today's work, our notes and our assignment are all together. So we're going to start by doing 2 problems off this sheet together as our notes, and then you'll finish all of the problems for homework. We are going to start with question number 2. So please make sure you're on the right problem. And so we're looking for number 2, and we are finding the surface area of rectangular prisms today. So the question says, what is the surface area of the rectangular prism that has the dimensions of a length of 9, a width of 9, and a height of 5? And so just as a quick reminder to everybody, when we talk about surface area of boxes, we need to find the area of each individual side. The nice thing about a box is the top is the same as the bottom, the front is the same as the back, and the side is the same as the other side. And so when we lay this nut flat, my top and bottom are labeled for us. So I'm going to color them orange. My front and back are going to connect those that I have pink. And then I have my 2 side flaps. And so everything that's the same color is also the same size. And then on here, they also have some tick marks to show us that if this edge over here is 9, that also means that this edge is 9, this edge is 9, this edge is 9, and this end is 9. All of them in the same direction are the same size. Going top to bottom, this was 9, so then going all the way across, we have 9, 9, and 9. And then lastly, they said that these short little sides are 5. So this short little side is 5, this one in here is 5, these 2 short little ones are 5, and these 2 short little ones are 5. Because remember, when you fold that net together, those edges meet, so they have to be the same size. They both have to be 5 and 5. Now, we have all these dimensions on here. All we have to do is find the different areas. I know the area of a box, the area of a rectangle, is length times width. We'll start with the top and the bottom. It's 9 times 9. Oh, and then these are also going to be 9. We know that because the same as the top, bottom and top are the same size boxes. So I like to see the math that you're doing, 9 times 9, and I know 9 times 9 is 81, so I'm going to put an 81 in both my orange boxes. Pink boxes, they're 9 times 5 for both of them, so that means they're both 45. And then my blue boxes are both also 9 times 5, or 45. So now that I have all of these different individual pieces, my last step is to simply add them up. I have 45 plus 81 plus 45 plus 81 plus 45 plus 45. So we're going to get our calculator, add them up, and find our answer. And when I add all that together, I get an area of 342. The last thing is we need to make sure that we label. Area is flat, it's 2-dimensional, so we take my unit, which is feet, and it is squared, because I'm only looking at 2 dimensions, length and width. 2-dimensional figures have an area of squared for area. The next one we're going to do today together is number 4. So please make sure you are on number 4 with me, so you might need to flip through to see that. And we're going to find the surface area of the rectangular prism, and it is a square. So this is one of those nice ones. A square, every side is the same. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Every side is the same. On each of my individual boxes, if this side is 9, my other side is also 9. All of my boxes are the same. They're all 9 by 9. So the nice thing here is, do I have to find all 6 areas? No, they're all the same. So I only have to find my area once. So the area of 1 box is 81, and I have it 6 times. So I'm going to take 81 times 6, and that's going to get me my area right away. And when I use my calculator, I get an answer of 486. Now, don't forget you have to label. My label is in meters, but because it's two-dimensional area, it's meters squared. Don't forget that squared on your label. Do not square your number. That makes it very, very different. Now, the rest of this assignment is homework that needs to be finished for tomorrow.